Welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. We are solving the PUBDET question paper of English of the year 2019, and in this video we are going to start from question number 41. Question number 41 says, which of the following words is closest in meaning to burlesque? Option A, parody. Option B, paronomasia. Option C, mask. And option D, villanelle. Now, the term burlesque means farcical or sarcastical and funny imitation of something, of some action. So it's more like a parody. So the correct answer will be parody. Option A, parody, is the correct answer. Question number 42. Why is Jacobean tragedy often described as decadent in comparison to Elizabethan tragedy? Why is Jacobean tragedy often described as decadent in comparison to Elizabethan tragedy? Option A, it is comparatively poorly written. Option B, none of the Jacobean playwrights achieved the fame of Shakespeare and Marlowe. Option C, as compared to Elizabethan tragedy, there is overemphasis on madness and perversion. And option D, as compared to Elizabethan tragedy, Jacobean tragedy has no memorable characters. while all the options are actually correct in their own ways, as they describe the Jacobean tragedy in different ways, but the correct answer, which is basically the reason why it is often described as decadent in comparison to Elizabethan tragedy, is option A. They are comparatively poorly written. They are not as well written, as polished in their verses, and as complicated in their plots as were the plays of Shakespeare and Marlowe. So option A, it is comparatively poorly written, is the correct answer. Option A. Question number 43. Choose the correct option to change the following sentence to indirect speech. The sentence is, "I'm sorry, I'm very late." Now the options are: A, he said he was very late. Option B, he apologized because he was very late. Option C, he said that he must be very sorry, he was late. Option D, he says that he must be very sorry, he is late. As we can understand, the correct option is, of course, option B. He apologized because he was very late. That is the correct indirect form of the sentence, "I am sorry, I am very late." In the indirect form, it is, he apologized because he was very late. So option B is the correct answer. Option B. Question number 44. Theorizing about the effect of 19th century Western imperialism on the men and women of non-Western countries is known as. on the men and women of non-Western countries? Is known as. Your options are A. Postmodernism, option B. Post-structuralism, option C. Post-feminism, and option D. Post-colonialism. The right answer is option D. Post-colonialism. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 45. Which of the following authors of Indian origin received the most prestigious Booker Prize, the Booker of Bookers? The options are A. V.S. Naipaul, B. Salman Rushdie, C. Arundhati Ray, sorry,